All right, guys, so now I just started my plan, and remember, we're not being charged yet. We still have our free trial, and now we kind of want to get our store designed and looking good before we start putting products on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to online store, and we're going to go to themes. As you see, we start out with the debut theme. Now this is exactly what we want, but what we want to do is just change it up a little bit. So if you have a logo, a good thing to do is start importing or put your logo right here, okay? And you can do that just by clicking on header, logo image right here. So that's pretty simple. And you can go to centered or left, each one, it doesn't matter. It's all good, okay? And then we have like this image with text overlay. So what we can do here is just go to a place like stocksnap.io. I think it's .io. And what they have is free stock images. So you could just find something really cool here that you think would go well with your store. These are all free to use. I'm gonna sell kind of like random trinkets on this store, so I'm just gonna go with this right here. I think this looks pretty good. We go here, select image, upload, and then we'll just take this here and we'll place it right there. And that came out looking pretty good. So, awesome products. Welcome to Gadget, or let's say, I don't know. Welcome to Cool Gadgets, whatever. And we'll use this. We provide great deals on interesting products. Supply is low. So make sure, so don't miss out. Obviously, put some more thought into this. I'm just kind of rushing through it so I can show you, and I want this to be as quick as possible. But spend like 5 minutes on this. Think of something good, and I think it'll be pretty cool. And then you can insert a button if you want. So you could do like a product or something, but we don't have any products in our store yet, so we can just do like all products, button label, blah, blah, blah. But we don't have any products, so it doesn't matter yet. And then we can just save. We can go back, and we don't want our featured collection right there. We're just gonna put like an image with text, and this could be like our top product or the main product we're gonna sell. So we can do that, or we can just put another image here like this. So we can go, look at this guy. Find something cool here. Oh, this one's really cool. And I think this is a good one to use because it's kind of like Christmas time. So we'll do that, and we'll put that right here. Image with text, select image. We're gonna upload. Put that there. All right, now the image is there. So we'll select that, and then we'll just do something like the perfect gift. Find the perfect gift. Here at Cool Gadgets, we know how important it is to get your loved one the perfect gift. Check out our products and see which one your significant other or family member will love the most. So that's cool. And then you can put a button here if you want as well. Shop now, products, stuff like that. But we don't have any products yet. Oops, I put show now, shop now. And this will just link to all our products once we have them set up anyways. So we're set up. Then we have our little slideshow down here. So what we're gonna do is get a few more images, and maybe we'll keep it like gift themed because it's just that time of the year. So we'll just take these like 3 images from here. So we've got that one. Take this one. And we'll grab one more. Grab this one right here. So now we've got 3 images for our slider. And we'll put those right here. So we're gonna have 3 images. So image 1, we'll upload this one. All right, and we'll select that. And let's see, image alignment middle. Let's see if that does anything. We'll just go with top then. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so there's that one. We'll hit save. And image slide, we'll make it say, ready for Christmas. We've got all the gifts you need to make this Christmas a perfect one. And then we'll just go to products, all products. And that'll make it so when they click on this, it'll go to our products. And now we'll upload our next image for the next slide. So that's gonna be this one. Whoops, that image is too big. So we'd have to resize that, and we're not gonna worry about that now. We're just gonna go to the next image then. Oh, this one's too big too. Well, you get the idea. We'll just do this one for now. Select, and we'll do middle. And then we're just gonna copy the same text from over here. So ready for Christmas. Forgot all. Neat. And they'll go there, and then this will also go to our products pages, all products. And we'll hit save. And you could, we might come back once we get some products and put our featured collection right here as well. So we'll come back and we'll do that later. All right, so let's go to the themes, go back, and let's take a quick look at our store so far. So welcome to Cool Gadgets, ready for Christmas. Already it's starting to look pretty good. We want to leave the background white always. A lot of people are changing up their background stuff. We don't want to worry about that. Let's just leave it white, nice and simple. And we're gonna go over to pages now. We're gonna add a page, and this is gonna be our contact us page. So we can look at that. We should be able to view this on our online store. And now we've got a contact page. This is really important because we need people to be able to contact us. So from here, we're gonna go to navigation. And we're gonna go to main menu, add menu item, contact us, online store. And now we've got a contact page. This is really important. All right, the page isn't showing up, but we should be able to put the contact page here. Let me see. So we'll just go here, this right here. We'll grab that link and we'll just select that link right there and add, save menu. And now we'll have our contact page up. So this is just important because this allows our customers to feel safer when purchasing with us. And we don't have any products in here yet, but we'll get this taken care of soon. All right, guys, so the next thing we want to do is go over to settings right here. And we're going to click on checkout. And we want to come down here and generate refund privacy and TOS statements. And these are just to allow us to, keep building more trust. So we're going to build all these. It's pretty simple. And we'll hit save. All right, so now we have all of those created as well. So pretty simple to do. Go back to online store, go to pages. Okay, so we're on our, we're gonna go to pages here, sorry. And we're gonna go back to settings because we wanna grab that stuff. So we're gonna go back to checkout. We've got all this here. Now it's time to create pages for these. And these are just to build as much trust as possible so we can, ensure our conversions are high and make us look like a real store, you know? So, I mean, obviously you want to be a real store. Okay, so refund policy right here. So we're gonna go there, copy all of that, and paste that, save. Let me take a look. Boom, just like that, nice and simple. And we're going to go back to pages, and we're gonna add another page. This time it's gonna be our privacy policy. So privacy policy, and we're gonna hit save. And finally, we're gonna do our terms of service. So we'll go back to pages, add page, terms of service. I'm gonna paste that right there. Awesome. And now what we're gonna do is go back to navigation. We're gonna go to footer menu, and we're gonna add all these items here. So let's see, refund policy, and pages, refund policy, add. We add another item, terms of service, pages, and then add that. And then we have privacy policy. And we're gonna go down here to pages and add our privacy policy, add. Now we're gonna save, and we'll go back to our store. So just like that. So we have our home, catalog, contact us up here, and then we've got our search, refund policy, terms of service, privacy policy down here. All these are extremely important to ensure that customers feel safe and we get as many sales as possible. And don't forget that we also want to add a logo here. And there's a couple, if you just Google logo generator, you can build some pretty cool logos for like $1 or $2. It's really cool. So that's pretty easy to do. Last thing we want to do is create a new page. So we're gonna go back to online store, pages, and this page, or click on add page, and this page is gonna be your about us. So just write about yourself here and maybe include a photo or something. So like, hey, we sell cool gadgets. This is just an example, by the way. Please put some thought into your about us. Hey, we sell cool gadgets and we want to bring them to the world. Here's a photo of us. We love what we do. And make sure this is a few paragraphs long. Really put some thought into it. Build something cool, something that'll make people want to shop from you, okay? And then we're just gonna go back to navigation. This time we're gonna go to main menu, add item, and this is about us. Come here, pages. I don't know why it takes a second for the page to be added here, but let's see. Okay, let's just refresh. It's kind of annoying. Add menu, about us, here, pages, and there it is now. Kind of stupid that it takes so long, but it's whatever. Come here, and now we have about us up here, and here it is. So that's pretty much it for setting up your initial design. We're gonna go a little bit more into it once we start having some products set up, but that's how you can get a very good blueprint and get ready to start making some sales on your store. So I'll see you in the next video.